This is finally it. As you guys know, I posted on my Instagram recently that I got myself the new MacBook Air, and a bit of a backstory. And I've been actually the only computing device that I have been using so far is the iPad, and this I got back in 2018. Yeah, 2018. So it's been more than 2 years, and it was working fine. I use it for pretty much everything, whether it's video editing, online classes, or anything that's related to content. I do it on the iPad. Now the problem is it's still working fine. The problem is that when it comes to multitasking, these devices don't really live up to it. Although again, it's still more than enough. If you're a teacher and if you're considering to invest in a device, I would strongly suggest that you get the iPad instead of the laptop, because this you can pretty much do everything on the go. This one has this is the LTE model, which means that I have my SIM card in it, so which means that I can use data and take a class or whatever it is, upload a video on the go. But again, for example, for some time I've been wanting to hold a few live sessions on YouTube. You can't do that with the iPad, especially if you want to share the screen. So yeah, that's when I decided that it's time to invest in a laptop. I had a laptop, and if you guys have been following me, you might have figured that we had a basement. The institute that I was teaching at previously, the institute that I was teaching at previously was in a basement, and that kind of got flooded. So yeah, that was that. Luckily, I had my iPad with me that day, so you know, nothing happened to that. Alhamdulillah. Anyway, so I guess it's time. And again, this is my first ever unboxing video, so if it turns out to be horrible, I apologize for that in advance. So yeah, let's get that out of the way. And this is also the first video where I have a dual camera setup. Here's another camera which you can't see, but yeah, so let's see. This, by the way, is the M1, and it's the space gray model. And let's put this on the side for now. And there you go. Ooh, it's lighter than I thought. Okay, let's put this on the side, and let's see what else comes in the box. So you have your Type-C to Type-C, so thank God I can charge my phone with the same cable now. And some paperwork, relevant, and a power brick. So now I have two of these. That's great, but I'm sure, yeah, this is a lot more powerful than the one I have for my iPad. So yeah, is that it? Yep, that's it. Okay, that's a nice box. So let's close it, and there you go. Okay, so let's power it up. No, wait, it's the other way around. Okay, I should probably get myself a cover. Let's put this on the side, and there we go. Okay, very welcoming. So it loads as soon as you open the screen. Okay, that's cool. And yeah, I guess that's it. I'm not aware of I know that this has an M1 processor and 8 gigabytes of RAM, and I think 512 GB storage. Yeah, but other than that, I got this for, I thought maybe I'll learn some video editing, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna invest some of my time learning Final Cut Pro. Again, I have been editing videos entirely on the iPad. Maybe I'll do a video one day where I can tell you guys what gadgets I use, for recording, for what microphone I use, and what apps.
Contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the
I'll do that later. But yeah, as I was saying, maybe one day I'll make a video on, telling you guys the apps I use, the software, the hardware, the microphone I use, that's something that I've changed over the years. So again, one day, in fact, a lot of teachers have reached out to me asking, how exactly do you make your video. So I've tried to respond to them individually, but I think I'll make a video once and for all. So yeah, that was it. That was the unboxing. I hope you guys liked it. And again, this was my first ever unboxing video. Let me know what you guys think of it. So, and maybe a couple of weeks down the road, I'll do a review on this. You know, I'll probably learn the tech aspects of this laptop and, you know, see what that's like. So yeah, that's all for this video. See you guys in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.